Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Liberty Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Liberty Bank, gather all your financial documents. This includes your income statements, expense records, and bank statements. Next, create a list of all your sources of income. Include your salary, side jobs, and any passive income streams. Once you have your income outlined, you'll want to track your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs encompass groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Now, open a budgeting tool provided by Liberty Bank, such as their mobile app or online platform. Input your total income into the budgeting tool. Then, enter your categorized expenses. This will help you visualize where your money is going. After entering your income and expenses, review the totals. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Set savings goals based on what you can reasonably save each month. Allocate a portion of your income towards these savings goals within the budgeting tool. Make sure to include an emergency fund in your budget. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved. Regularly check your budget to monitor your progress. Adjust your budget as necessary for any changes in income or expenses. Finally, review your goals and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successful budgeting with Liberty Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.